Hello guys, welcome to EverJade sample room again. Today we're going to talk about artificial turf and decorative grass, two great options for decorating your outdoor space. Decorative grass, like synthetic grass mats and artificial hanging plants, can easily be installed on walls to add a touch of greenery and natural beauty indoors or outdoors. As for turf, it's a realistic-looking, durable, and low maintenance, making it perfect for creating lush, hassle-free lawns for playgrounds, soccer fields, and more. Not only are these options practical, but they are also environmentally friendly, requiring no watering, pesticides, or regular mowing, which reduces the environmental impact of traditional lawns. In short, artificial turf and decorative grass offer practical and beautiful solutions for outdoor spaces, adding endless possibilities for enhancing the outdoor environment. Welcome inquiry.